Holy moly!
Don't eat candy in prison.
Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul.
Holy
Fly
moly!
away, Peter, fly
Hey,
away,
you!
Paul.
Hey!
Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
No, 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 no!
Okay, okay.
Hey! Hey, you!
Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
Hey!
What's this?
Aha!
Okay, here we go!
Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul.
Bingo!
Come back, Peter, come back, Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall.
What are you doing?
One named Peter, one
Oh,
named
man.
Paul.
Don't
Fly
do that
away,
again.
Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
A few moments later.
Hey, what happened?
Hey! Oh. Hey, you! Hey, you! Don't make me angry! Hey!
Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul.
Aha!
Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
Ooh!
That's what I'm talking about!
Two little Dickie birds
Come on.
sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back.
Unbelievable!
Holy moly!
Hey, you!
No, 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 no!
Hey!
Sing a song of six and a pocket full of rye. 4 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? Okay. The king was in his counting house, counting out his money. The queen was in the parlor, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out the clothes.
Holy
When
moly!
down came a blackbird and pecked off her nose. Sing a song of
Oh,
six
boy.
and a pocket full
No
of
way!
rye.
Come
4
on!
and 20 blackbirds
Okay.
baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing.
Aha!
Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? The king
Oh,
was in
boy.
his counting house, counting out his money.
Hey!
The queen was
Go,
in
go,
the
go.
parlor, eating bread and honey.
Hey, you!
The maid was in the garden, hanging out the clothes. When down
No!
came a black blackbird unpacked off her nose.
Okay, okay.
Sing a song with sixpence, a pocket full of rye. 4 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? The king was in his counting
few
house,
moments
counting
later.
out his money. The queen was in the parlor, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging up the clothes. When down came a
yummy.
blackbird and pecked off her nose.
Holy moly!
Oh, hello!
Hey, what happened?
Sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye. 4 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. Wasn't
Sorry.
that a dainty dish
Hey,
to set before the king? The king was in his counting house, counting out his money. The queen was in the parlor, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out the clothes. When down came a blackbird and pecked off her nose.
Bingo! Hey, what happened? Okay, here we go. Go, go, go.
Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
No, 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 no.
A few moments later.
Okay.
Yummy.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man?
Hey,
Do
you!
you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Oh, no!
Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.